Coming up in this video, I've got a fruity, fun, amazing daiquiri flip using one of my go-to favourite spiced rum brands. This is Dead Man's Fingers. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm Steve the Barman, and I'm hoping these videos help you drink, serve and enjoy your favourite spirits even more. Right, let's crack straight on. Daiquiri, fun and fruity. We're going Tall Sling Glass for this cocktail. We're going to shake it. So going to shake it down in a cocktail shaker. Love this, love this. Found this a few weeks ago when I was playing. Love it. Right, 50ml, first ingredient, double bubble of your Dead Man's Fingers. And it will work for other spiced rums as well. Don't worry too much, but it's just because I'm Cornish, I love to show a bit of love to my fellow Cornish brands. Even though it's not technically Cornish anymore, but hey, we're still pretending it comes from the rum and crab shack. So there we go. 50ml of your spiced rum. Next ingredient, I'm going 25ml of freshly squeezed lime juice. 25ml. Then I'm going for some Angostura bitters into the mix now. Yeah, this works exceptionally well with the fruit that's coming up in a second. 1, 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. Now for the fruit, puree. Oh, blackberry and spiced rum. Oh my God, that is a match made in heaven. Absolutely love it. If you're new to my videos, these are ODK, long life, shelf stable. Goes out of date July 2022. Once opened, three months-ish on them. Just give it a good shake, get them for drink stuff. Right, and I'm going to balance this very slightly, so just 20ml in there, and that's kind of your sugar content as well. So you've got the basic daiquiri principles. You've got your rum, your lime, and your sugar, your sweetener. Oh, love it, love it. This is amazing on toast as well. I didn't tell you that. Right, so I just need to stick my finger in. Oh, it's so good, so good. Right, I just need to ice that down. Excuse me, it's a bit rude. Right, ice that down. Now, as always, I want you guys to help me name these cocktails, because I'm rubbish at naming cocktails. Yes, you could call this a blackberry daiquiri, but there's no fun in that, is there? So let me know your name suggestions in the comments box below. That will then go into my updated cocktail book, which you can get if you're a Patreon member. Big shout out to all my Patreons and you guys in there, Scott and Mark. Thank you. You're joining Lucy, other Mark, Christopher and Ben as well. So thank you very, very much. Loads of extra stuff in there, my online courses, all that stuff. Go and check it out. Right, ice that down. I'll ice that in a second. Give it a good, hard, fast shake. Right, when you are happy that's all blended together and shaken together. Oh, so good. Right, I want to leave that as late as possible. I'm going crushed ice for this. Crushed ice in my sling glass. That'll do just for now. We'll top that up in a second. Single strain. Just over the top. And while I'm doing that, if you want more rum cocktails, check out for the playlist. It'll pop up on screen in a few seconds. Top that up with a little bit more crushed ice. Garnish. I've got a blackberry kebab going on there. Got a sprig of mint from the garden. Apple mint this is. There we have it. Serve it up with a straw. Cheers.